KTM officially launched a limited production motorbike derived from racing, namely their newest 450 Rally Replica. This motorbike is the consumer version of the factory rally motorbike in the 2024 Dakar Rally. Comes with a major update with a different design. The entire body fairing is newly designed. The new tank layout and improved rally seat position with new ergonomics provide greater comfort in long-distance riding. The latest navigation tower dashboard made of carbon fiber is also included. It's still a 450cc fuel-injected single-cylinder engine, but it now has a new overhead cam cylinder head, as well as a stronger clutch and stronger gearbox. While the previous engine configuration used a single radiator, this new version uses a split radiator solution to keep your operating temperatures nice and cool when the competition heats up. KTM also updated the frame for 2025, switching to a hand-welded unit that KTM says uses new calculations for its longitudinal and torsional stiffness. The sections are laser cut, rather than the steel trellis frame design previously used. A die-cast aluminum swing arm is also new for 2025, developed as a way to offer the right level of stiffness while keeping unsprung weight low. Reducing weight on the swing arm also helps because of what KTM did with the multi-piece fuel tank on the 2025 450 Rally Replica. There's a 16-liter fuel tank that acts as a subframe, in addition to the 9 and 9.5-liter fuel tanks respectively in front of. The front and rear tanks use two different fuel pumps that can operate independently, and total fuel capacity is now increased to 34.5 liters. That's more than 9 gallons of fuel. The suspension, as usual, is made by WP and is fully adjustable on a WP Zact Pro 7548 front fork, and WP the tools just under the engine cover are an additional highlight on the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica. For the record, KTM has not previously released pricing for the 2024 450 Rally Replica, but the 2022 version is priced at $25,900. That's about us $27,697 in April 2024, and the price of the 2025 bike is bound to be a bit higher because it's 3 years later and one major update.